What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin. If you're new here, right now we're in Istanbul. We're in Turkey. We're about to head to the Memorial Hospital. They just picked me up, y'all. It's about 7:50 in the morning. I got in super late last night. I am so tired, but we're heading to the hospital right now. I'm just gonna vlog my experience here at the Memorial Hospital in Turkey. I'm gonna have everything linked down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. But I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. I'm staying close to the Memorial Hospital, but I wouldn't recommend the hotel I'm staying at. So we will see, and I'll let you guys know which hospital I chose. Then yeah, stay tuned to this vlog. Hey guys, so I'm here at the Memorial. I do not know how to say the name of this hospital, but y'all seen this hospital like on TikTok. The check-in process, it wasn't like nobody down there. I had to ask somebody where's like the international check-in, which I knew like from TikTok, like how I knew I had to like go up the escalator, and then there it was. But yeah, they're not starting until like 8:05, so right now it's not as busy. I wanted to come on a day where it wasn't a lot of people. Like today is Tuesday. I wanted to come on a day where it's like maybe a few international clients, because I know I've heard like they be rushing you through the process, and so I wanted to come on a day where it's like slow and steady. So hopefully it's not a lot of people and it's not as busy. But I'm gonna show you guys how the airport, not the airport, I'm gonna show you guys how the hospital looks. Hey guys, I am in the lunch area. I'm having lunch. I'm ordering food. It comes with the package. I can say when you first check-in is a little slow, y'all. Like, I was just like, dang, when we gonna start? So they took my blood work. They checked my breast examination. I went to the gynecologist. I just left the eye doctor. And now we have to go to the cardiology, and we have to go to internal medicine next. So they will write you prescription. The price I paid, you do have to pay up front, guys. I just want you to know that you do have to pay up front. I paid $1,100. They charged on my card, so they do take cards. And I also made a $50 deposit maybe like a month or two before I came, just so they know I was really coming. I don't know if they would consider this a busy day, but it's a little slower. But I'm pretty sure like most hospitals are like really, really slow. But so far, so good. I'm looking at I'm trying to make sure that we do all my tests because, honey, I just spent $1,100 and I want to know exactly. I know I'm going to ask her about dental because she didn't say anything about dental. And I wonder, is like, are we going to see a dentist even though I'm going to an actual dentist tomorrow, like a dental office? But even though it's included in the package, she didn't say anything about it. So I will ask her about that. And I'm going to ask her about the dermatologist because I do want to go see a dermatologist, because if you guys didn't know, this Dubai water is breaking out my face like crazy. Like, my skin is breaking out terrible. I do want to kind of record when I'm doing these tests, but the only thing is, y'all, I can't really record because I'm like half naked. Like, I will show y'all like how the exam rooms and stuff look. It's very clean. The hospital is different cafes for you to come eat at. But yeah, so far so good. And I think it just threw me off. They want you to pee, and it was like stew. Guys, if y'all know what stew means poop. Like, what? Like, that's insane. But would I come back here? Yes, everybody seems nice. The only thing I wish is that it didn't take so long. Like, the check-in process took a while. They don't really communicate with you, but once you get your like translator, right now I have a translator. She's so nice. Her name is Naz. She's working with me and another girl. I'm guessing the other girl is from the U.S. also. So I guess she's in a gynecologist right now, and I'm here at lunch. So at the lunch, I'm probably going to go to the internal medicine, and I'm also probably going to go to cardiology. They're going to do an ECG and an EKG on my chest, and they also going to do a stress test. But guys, honestly, I would highly recommend like just coming to Turkey because healthcare in the United States is very expensive. And if you want your results right there, you do gotta translate and like send me my stuff in English because everything is like pretty much in Turkish. So guys, if you're really like interested and care about your health and like your well-being and how your body is, like I would highly recommend, and the doctor seems nice so far. Like my honest review and see if it's really worth it for y'all. So yeah, guys, and also the eye doctor did write me a prescription for like my dry eye because I had LASIK last year. He wrote me a prescription checking my 20/20 vision. He was like, your eyesight is good, so that's all that matters. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. But I'm still here at the hospital. I can say my start time was from 9 and I probably would have finished at like 3:45. The only thing is I wanted to go to the dermatologist, so I'm not leaving till 5. Right now I'm waiting for my driver. I honestly would recommend because they pick you up from the airport, drop you off at your hotel, pick you up in the morning, and they also take you home. And also, I know I was talking about the dentist. They actually will refund you for the dentist part because they said their machine is not working. It's only $50. I don't know, but they said they will refund you. But instead of them refunding me, I decided to go to a dermatologist. I talked to the medicine doctor, and he prescribed me like D3 and iron pills, and he walked through all my tests and gave me all my results and was like everything is normal. I definitely would recommend this. It was $1,100, guys. Like you can't beat this. I'm gonna pop on the screen like all the tests I took. They also give you like a CD of like your breast exam and your throat exam and a couple of more exams. So I definitely would recommend that. And also, it's just so much, guys. I would highly recommend this place. There are also different packages. I got the regular VIP female package, but they also have like the advanced one, and then they have like a 3-day one that you can also do that they run more and more tests. But guys, all in all, this was a great experience. I would suggest coming on a day where it's not as busy. Like I came on like a Tuesday and it's not as busy. I kept seeing the same people, so I definitely would recommend that. And also, yeah, if I was you guys, I would just come, and I also would come on like a Tuesday or Wednesday where the hospital is not too packed. Granted, the wait time is good. My language translator was Nas. She was super nice, super cool. Everybody is super nice, super cool, it's super safe. They really take good care of you. Also, they do give you a free meal. So you also get a free meal on top of them picking you up and paying for everything. So you'll be able to eat lunch and order from there. But all in all, it's been a great experience. I have somebody bringing me my all my medication tomorrow at my hotel, or I could decide to come pick it up. But they basically do everything for you. I would give this a 10 out of 10. I will definitely be back. And if you're interested in Memorial Hospital, again, I'm going to link everything in the description box for you guys. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to put exactly what hospital I went to. And you guys, I highly, highly recommend, like, if you want to care about your health, and I know the U.S. is expensive, or the U.K. is expensive. They check for fibroids. They give you a pap smear. Like, guys, it's literally worth the $1,100 if you ask me. After all the tests I did, I said, oh, okay, I see what I'm paying for. I've been in Turkey. I've been like on go, 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 like appointment after appointment after appointment. Like I haven't had a chance to like legit have a break and like just talk to y'all at all because I just been I'm at the hospital. After that, the next day, you see my teeth is super white. I went to the dentist. I was there all day. And then after that, I made another appointment for a treatment today, like later today. And that is at 2 o'clock, I think. It's at 2 o'clock, so I'm going to that. And it's called the Morpheus 8. It's for like, it's microneedling, but it's tightening your skin and it boosts collagen. But so far, so good. The people in Turkey are so nice. One thing I do realize is that they stare at you a lot. But maybe that's because like I'm a black woman and it's like not a lot of black people, I'm guessing. I don't know. But I have not really seen no black people. But I'm fine with that. Everybody's super nice. Some people speak English, some people don't. Like I go into stores, but I'm still able to like understand what they're saying, even though I don't speak Turkish. Or not Turkish, I don't know their language, excuse me, y'all. But yeah, like I'm able to like kind of understand what they're saying and they're able to kind of understand what I'm saying. But yeah, so far so good. And one thing I realized, the services out here, they will come and they will drop you off. They'll come get you and they're going to take you back home. Memorial, they're taking me back towards the airport, and I'm not even staying nowhere near the hospital no more. That's how good the customer service is. Like, it's so good. I would definitely recommend coming to Turkey for like a lot of things. Like, my dental cleaning was $80, and then I was like, okay, I might as well get whitening. And I think that was like $100 or something. I can't remember, you guys, but yeah, I got my teeth clean. I got my teeth whitened. I did my whole physical here. Now, today I'm going to get my little microneedling treatment, and then after that, I have one more day here, which is Friday, and then I'll what I'm doing Friday. Friday I'm not doing nothing, so I'll try to vlog as much as I can because I don't have appointments back to back to back. So Friday I'm free, and I leave Saturday to go back to Dubai. But so far so good. I love Turkey, guys. Look, I've been walking around these streets like I know where I'm going. I'm in my like hotel little area, but it's so nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go to a different area because I'm switching hotels today. I'm going to a different area, so I'm gonna be vlogging that. But all in all, Turkish people is like so nice. They're like so kind and so helpful, and I just definitely want to come back and like really tour Turkey, like, you know, do the excursions and stuff, but I just haven't had time because I've been having appointment after appointment after appointment to where I just don't have time to like really explore Turkey. But if you're looking for like cost effective, like needing everything done, I would highly suggest getting certain things done here. I just got done with the Morpheus 8. I'm about to do the red light therapy for 10-15 minutes. That was painful. They did numb me. But honestly, I still felt the pain. Like, now I have like these bumps all over my face. It's called Gentle. No, it's called Gold. No, it's called Morpheus 8. That's what they know it for in the States. I just did that. You're supposed to do multiple sessions. I'm gonna see how this goes. It's supposed to tighten up your skin, reduce collagen, but my face is hurting. I'm probably gonna be like this for the next 3 days, so we shall see. I'm gonna let you guys know. But this place is so cute. I'm just walking around here like this is my clinic. I'll be walking around places like this is my clinic. I also changed my flight so I can leave in the morning. No, I also changed my flight so I can leave in the morning. I went to the pharmacy earlier. I'm gonna show you everything I got from Turkey. I've done everything medical I could probably think of here while I was here. Again, I would come to Turkey for like medical reasons. So yeah. Guys, I am currently getting me something to eat. I'm still in Turkey. I'm at this place called Momo Burger. The next place I'm staying at is like super busy. Like, it's so busy over here. Like, right when I walk out my hotel, it's like literally jam packed with people. Yeah, I gotta get out of Turkey. I am getting sick here. Like, here, like a lot of people smoke, and now it'd be like a lot of secondhand smoke But I don't know if it's the weather change or what, but I honestly need to get out of Turkey. Like, you can kind of hear me. Like, I'm kind of stuffy. And I'm just like, yeah, let me change my flight, go back to Dubai because, yeah, I can't do this. Like, I'm getting, like, super sick for some odd reason. I've been sleeping for, like, the past 9, 10 hours, so that's why I haven't been vlogging. After I got my facial and stuff, I came back to the hotel and I lay down and I've been asleep ever since. Thank you. I've been asleep ever since. And like I'm in the weather. I'm really trying to fight the sickness, but I have a weak immune system and your girl is struggling. But I do want to go to Sephora over here. They have an H&M and M and a Mango. I went in there yesterday. I didn't see anything, but I didn't know they had a Sephora right here. So I want to see what their Sephora has in here that's different from like the U.S. and Dubai. But yeah, guys, this turkey vlog is shortly coming to an end just because I'm under the weather and I'm sick. But I'm going to show you like the street that I'm staying on is so busy. Like, it's so busy. Like, so yeah, guys, I'm just going to enjoy my food real quick. This burger, cheeseburger, and fries. I feel like I need something heavy because I haven't really been eating that much. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Then I'm gonna go to the airport later on tonight because I have a night flight, like a 1 o'clock in the morning flight. Because I switched my flights because I'm like, I'm ready. I gotta get out of here because I can't. So yeah, guys, I will keep you guys updated on my adventures. Guys, we are back at my hotel. I'm just sitting here chilling. I just brought me some chocolate. I'm gonna try it and see how it is. I would just walked around basically for like 20 minutes after I ate and just sightseeing and just looking around. Like, as soon as you walk out my hotel, guys, it's so busy. Like, look at this, guys. Like, as soon as you walk out, it's like chaos. So busy. So yeah, I'm probably going to close this vlog out because, as you guys can tell, I am so under the weather. Like, I don't know if I got sick because of the weather change or what, but I tried my best to vlog here in Turkey. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.